Pick pants with Lycra. A stretchy material can also offer your backside a boost, but strive on stretchy pants in advance than searching for. If you have a curvy body type, a piece of Lycra makes for a better healthy, Hever says. However, if pants with Lycra are too tight, it creates an unpleasant ripple impact. If Lycra's not running on the outdoor, try Lycra tights or a frame shaper underneath nicely tailored pants, she indicates. Proper right. Here are greater fashion mistakes that make you appearance older. Are trying to find out positive pores and skincare elements. No wonder. SPF protects in opposition to loose radical damage from the sun's UV radiation that affects in collagen breakdown, sagging pores and skin, and wrinkles, says dermatologist Pravisha Patel, MD, author of Visha Pores and Skincare. But there are other undertaking converting skincare factors to look forward to. Retinol and alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, can rejuvenate the skin and cast off first-class strains and wrinkles, she says. Hyaluronic acid enables your pores and skin preserve moisture, which offers it a smooth, glowing look. Take a look at your neckline. In spite of the fact that the most flattering neckline is based upon on your face form, hairstyle, neck form and duration, and your shoulder structure, one neckline particularly has a bent to be maximum flattering. A traditional V-neck with a collar creates a linear line that makes us look taller and thinner, and a little bit of a collar detracts from the arrival of an older neck whilst spotlighting our face, Hever says. Follow these makeup secrets and techniques to by no means appearance your actual age. Hold in thoughts. Hues. A pop of coloration may be fun and more youthful, however it's now not vital to position on it from head to toe. You can accessory your outfit with a modern-day fashion shade, but you don't need to look dated and vintage via keeping directly to a state-of-the-art coloration way beyond its expiration date, Hever says. It's simply now not approximately age. However, about sophistication, conventional independent sunglasses are commonly stylish. Accessorize. Display your individual with a laugh. Accent quantities that don't have an age or frame type linked. In case you decide for classic clothes, which can be always chic, a dash of an exciting accent via way of an accessory will straight away keep the look contemporary and easy, so you hold a relevant and younger appearance, Hever says. And right here are some hints to flawlessly beautify your outfit. Avoid orthopedics if possible. Locating a at-ease shoe that still seems proper is different for every person. I've a excessive arch and that I'm more comfy in a chunk of a heel instead of a pancake flat shoe, Hever says. I additionally look better with the little bit of raise. There may be no accepted rule for heel heights. However, she says to keep away from fugly footwear. It's properly really worth trying on extremely good footwear manufacturers to discover the shoes which can be the maximum stylish and relaxed in your specific foot, she says. Permit cross of pressure and war research have proven stress certainly a while your cells, however this aging additionally may be reversed with way of existence modifications that include strain manage. While you lessen stress and war, you're turning off stress hormones which consist of adrenaline and cortisol, and activating endorphins, the herbal painkillers on your body, which makes everything approximately you more younger, says psychiatrist Judith Orloff, MD, the author of First Class Electricity. Spotlight your eyes in phrases of younger eye makeup. Strive Carmendi's signature glide. You need to carmendize or highlight the eyes using a cream or powder pearlescent champagne hue, she says. Apply it simplest beneath the eyebrows and on the inner corners of the eyes. For eyeshadow, she says to stick with lighter unbiased colorings like light brown, quartz, or taupe, and use a pearl or matte additives, not glitter or excessive shimmer. Discover 9 tricks dermatologists use to look extra younger. Lighten up your liner for lining your eyes. Keep away from the black coloration you've probably been the use of for years. Hold eyeliner mild, like chocolate brown in preference to black, and observe it as near the roots of the top lashes as feasible, Carmendi says. Moreover, keep away from the use of liner under the eyes, which could appearance getting older. In case you have to study something below the decrease lash line, try sweeping a powder eyeshadow, the usage of an angle brush. And keep away from the ones makeup mistakes that age your face. Pass the all-over concealer. Heavy face makeup can settle into wrinkles and provide you with a washed-out tone. Rather, first comply with a makeup primer, that would create a clean base for basis. Each different everyday mistake, concealer is meant to go on after basis, not in advance than.